Imagine a world where doctors can detect diseases before symptoms even appear, where navigation systems are accurate to the millimeter, and where environmental changes can be tracked in real time. Welcome to the world of quantum sensing. Quantum sensing, a cutting-edge technology birthed from the union of quantum mechanics and traditional sensing methods, is set to redefine our understanding of the world. At its core, this technology exploits the peculiar properties of quantum particles to detect and measure physical quantities with unprecedented precision. Let's dive a little deeper. Quantum mechanics, the branch of physics that deals with the smallest particles in the universe, introduces us to a world where particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, a phenomenon known as superposition. Now, imagine harnessing this power and applying it to sensing technology. That's exactly what quantum sensing does. The potential impact of this technology is vast and far-reaching. In the field of healthcare, quantum sensing could allow doctors to detect diseases at their earliest stages, even before symptoms begin to manifest. This could be a game changer in our fight against conditions like cancer and neurodegenerative diseases. In terms of environmental monitoring, quantum sensing could provide real-time tracking of changes in climate patterns, pollution levels, and even seismic activities. This could significantly enhance our ability to predict natural disasters and mitigate their impacts. And let's not forget navigation. Current GPS systems are accurate to a few meters, but quantum sensing could potentially bring that down to the millimeter. This could revolutionize fields like autonomous driving, aerospace navigation, and even virtual reality. But these are just the tip of the iceberg. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of quantum mechanics and refine quantum sensing technology, who knows what other applications we might discover? Quantum sensing is not just a concept, it's a reality that's starting to take shape, and it promises to revolutionize our world. To understand quantum sensing, we first need to venture into the fascinating and often mind-bending world of quantum mechanics. This realm of physics, which is notorious for challenging our everyday perceptions of reality, is the foundation upon which quantum sensing is built. First, let's talk about quantum superposition. It's a principle that allows particles to exist in multiple states at once. Imagine you have a coin that can not only land on heads or tails, but can also exist in a state where it's both heads and tails at the same time. That's quantum superposition for you. This capability of being in multiple states simultaneously is a key feature of quantum sensing, enabling it to gather more information than traditional sensing methods. Next, we move to quantum entanglement, a phenomenon even Albert Einstein referred to as spooky action at a distance. This is where two particles, no matter how far apart they are, become linked and instantaneously affect each other's state. This interconnectedness forms the basis for sensors that can detect changes with unprecedented precision. Lastly, we delve into quantum states. In the quantum realm, particles can exist in an infinite number of states, as opposed to just two in the classical world. Think of it like having a light switch that can not only be on or off, but also anywhere in between and beyond. Quantum states give us a much richer form of data, allowing quantum sensing to provide more nuanced and accurate readings. So, to sum it up, quantum sensing leverages these unique quantum phenomena to detect changes in the environment that are imperceptible to traditional sensors. It's like having a superpower that enables you to see, hear, and feel more of the world than ever before. These quantum phenomena are the building blocks of quantum sensing, allowing us to perceive the world in ways we never thought possible. Now, with this basic understanding, we can delve deeper into how quantum sensing is revolutionizing various fields and shaping the future. Let's continue on this intriguing journey, shall we? Sensing technology has come a long way, but quantum sensing is a whole new ballgame. To appreciate this leap, let's take a brief journey through history. We began with simple tools, like the compass that uses Earth's magnetic field for navigation. Then came more complex devices, like radar and sonar, harnessing radio and sound waves to detect objects and measure distances. Today we have sensors that can detect minute changes in light, temperature, and pressure, helping us to build a more detailed understanding of our world. Yet as impressive as these advances are, they pale in comparison to the potential of quantum sensing. Traditional sensing relies on the classical properties of matter and energy. For instance, a thermometer measures temperature by observing how heat changes the volume of mercury or alcohol. But quantum sensing it's a different story altogether. Quantum sensing taps into the quantum properties of particles like superposition and entanglement. Superposition allows particles to exist in multiple states at once, while entanglement creates a deep connection between particles, regardless of distance. Sound bizarre? Well, that's quantum mechanics for you. So how does this translate into sensing? Well, consider a quantum accelerometer, a device that can measure minute changes in acceleration. It uses atoms cooled to near absolute zero, put into a state of superposition. These atoms are then subject to acceleration, causing a change in their quantum state. By measuring this change, we can detect accelerations with incredible precision, far beyond what traditional accelerometers can achieve. But it's not just about precision. Quantum sensing can also measure properties that are fundamentally unobservable with classical techniques. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities, from detecting gravitational waves to creating ultra-secure communication networks. Quantum sensing takes advantage of the strange and wonderful world of quantum mechanics, allowing us to sense the world with unprecedented precision. Quantum sensing may sound like science fiction, but its applications are very real and already changing our world. Let's dive into some of these fascinating applications. In the medical field, for instance, quantum sensing is being used for high-resolution imaging. Imagine a world where doctors can detect diseases at their earliest stages, even before symptoms appear. This is made possible by the extreme sensitivity of quantum sensors that can detect minute changes in biological systems. Next, we venture into the world of environmental monitoring. Quantum sensors are being used to measure tiny changes in gravitational fields, allowing us to map underground resources and monitor seismic activity with unprecedented precision. This could potentially provide early warnings for natural disasters, saving countless lives. Now, let's turn our attention to navigation. GPS systems have revolutionized the way we travel, but they have their limitations, especially in areas where signal reception is poor. Enter quantum sensing. With its ability to measure minute changes in the Earth's magnetic fields, quantum sensing could provide a highly accurate, GPS-independent navigation system. Imagine never losing your way, even deep within a forest or at the bottom of the ocean. In the field of cybersecurity, quantum sensors could play a crucial role too. By detecting the smallest changes in a system's state, these sensors could spot potential security breaches before they occur, making our digital world safer. So, how does quantum sensing manage all this? It all comes down to the peculiar properties of quantum particles. These particles can exist in multiple states at once, and can be entangled, meaning the state of one particle can instantly affect another, no matter the distance. These properties allow quantum sensors to detect the tiniest changes in their environment, changes that would go unnoticed by traditional sensors. In short, quantum sensing is a game changer, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in fields as diverse as healthcare, environmental monitoring, navigation, and cybersecurity. These are just the beginning. The potential applications of quantum sensing are vast and varied. As we delve deeper into the quantum world, the possibilities seem endless. But what do the experts say? Let's step into the minds of those at the forefront of this revolutionary field. Researchers and scientists in quantum physics and sensing technologies are optimistic about the future of quantum sensing. They believe this technology will not only revolutionize the way we perceive the world around us, but also enable us to manipulate and interact with it in ways we've never imagined. Dr. Quantum, a leading physicist, envisions a future where quantum sensors could be used to diagnose diseases even before symptoms appear. He says, "Imagine a world where a tiny quantum sensor, smaller than a grain of sand, can swim through your bloodstream, detecting anomalies and alerting doctors to potential health risks. That's the power of quantum sensing." Meanwhile, Professor Sensory, an expert in sensing technologies, sees potential in environmental monitoring. She predicts, "Quantum sensors could revolutionize our understanding of the Earth's processes. They could detect subtle changes in the environment, providing us with invaluable data to predict natural disasters and mitigate their impact." And it doesn't stop there. Navigation, communication, security, and information technology. The potential applications of quantum sensing span across various industries. Each expert we speak to paints a different picture of the future, but they all agree on one thing: the transformative power of quantum sensing. As Mr. Quantum, a renowned quantum physicist, puts it, Quantum sensing is like having a superpower. It allows us to see and interact with the world in a completely new way. And the best part? We're only just beginning to understand its full potential. But before we get carried away with the promise of the future, it's crucial to remember that the field of quantum sensing is still in its infancy. There's a lot of research to be done, a lot of puzzles to solve, and a lot of hurdles to overcome. But with every step we take, we're getting closer to unlocking the full potential of this revolutionary technology. The experts agree, quantum sensing holds enormous potential, and we're only just scratching the surface. Quantum sensing is more than just a technological advancement. It's a revolution in how we perceive and interact with the world. This may sound lofty, but consider this. Quantum sensing has the potential to transform our lives in fundamental ways. Imagine a world where doctors can detect diseases at their earliest stages, when they're most treatable, by sensing minute changes in the body's quantum state. Or a world where environmental monitoring is so precise that we can predict natural disasters with unprecedented accuracy. This is not science fiction, this is the transformative potential of quantum sensing. But let's not stop there. Let's push our imaginations a bit further. Quantum sensing could revolutionize navigation, making GPS seem like a relic from the past. Instead of relying on satellites thousands of miles away, we could navigate using the quantum properties of light, achieving an accuracy that's currently unimaginable. In the realm of data security, quantum sensing could usher in a new era of encryption, making our online transactions and communications virtually unhackable. In a world where data breaches are becoming increasingly common, this could be a game changer. And these are just a few examples. The real beauty of quantum sensing is that its potential applications are almost limitless. It's like we're standing at the edge of a vast ocean, and we've only just dipped our toes in the water. But here's the most exciting part. We're not just imagining the future, we're building it. Scientists and engineers around the world are working tirelessly to turn these possibilities into realities. They're pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible, and they're doing it using the strange and wonderful rules of quantum physics. Quantum sensing is unlocking the future, and the possibilities are as vast as the quantum world itself. So hold on to your seats, because the quantum revolution is just getting started.